Hi, I'm doing a Knit Crate yarn giveaway. You get 2 booklet. Okay. Hi, I'm doing Knit Crate yarn giveaway. If you'd like to sign up under me, my links are down below. You can get 20% off if you put in the promo code Jewel20. It's $24.99 per month. You come right here and fill this out. I'm about to give you the Knit Crate yarn to show you what it looks like this time. Also for Facebook, you can join, or you can like my page and my group. It's right here. I got hacked over a year ago, so I lost most of my following, unfortunately. Yeah. And then if you come to Amazon, my links are down below as well. And I have my crochet hats for beginners, crochet for beginners, and the hats as well. They have audio and paperback. And then at my Etsy store, you can come here. I have 115 products. Most of them are discounted. These are cute little tags and vintage patterns, digital planner, purse pattern, more vintage patterns, hooks, yarn. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'm about to show you the yarn.
In a Knit Crate yarn giveaway, and to participate, just comment down below so I can do a random comment picker, and also come back in about a week or so to see if you're the winner. I have had a couple of winners that have not claimed their yarn, so just make sure you come back. Make sure you're a subscriber as well, and to participate, that's all you need to do. Also, all my links are down below. For Knit Crate, I have my link down below for that, and it's $24.99 per month, but you can use the promo code Jewel20 and get 20% off. And then I have my links for my Etsy store with a bunch of stuff, really nice discounted stuff in there. And then I also have a Facebook page and group if you'd like to join. So these cute little stickers came with this. If you are into like cute little sunflower stickers. Inspiration, this is finally they're coming out with their books now, because before they weren't, so finally they're doing that. That's pretty cool. So they have the Sock Knit Crochet Club, and this is the pattern for this here. Pretty. And let's see, this is a knit. They do knit and they do crochet. And this is knit. This is the same one, it's just sprawled out here. This one's pretty cool, I like this one. The petals bag, and it's crochet, it looks like to me. Really pretty. I'm into sunflowers. And then socks, looks like these are knit socks. Bright side of the moon socks. And then the other socks here. And these look like they're knit. So they do knit and crochet. And this one looks like these are crochet here. And they are. So there's crochet and then the knit. Okay, so this is the yarn here. It's real nice, reminds me of sunflowers. And you get both of these. Sunflower, it says, alpaca wool, 10% silk, 10% camel DK, 231 yards. All right, so it's really soft, really nice, like a mustard yellow. And you get both of those. So just make sure you comment down below if you want to participate. Make sure you're a subscriber. All my links for anything that I have that I'm promoting are listed down below. You can just go right down below. I have an Amazon book and for crocheting hats and for beginners. So thank you for watching, and please come back to see if you're the winner in about a week or so.